Welcome back. So I had a conversation with Kate this week, and it was literally all about how much It was literally all about how much time these videos take up. So she came up with this fantastic idea to go to Adrenalin Quarry, which is up near Liskeard, where they've got zip wires and go-karts, and you can do like water activities and things like that. So she decided it would be a fantastic idea to go on a zip line. She knows I'm not great with heights, and I said, that's fine. We'll go out, we'll have a fantastic day together, but I won't film anything. But I filmed it anyway. Okay, got your surprise.
A camera? Oh, I don't want to know.
How you feeling? Yeah.
Fun. I enjoyed that.
It was fine once you get going. The day was going well. We had a great time. The zip wire was actually not too bad. For someone who's got a fear of heights, I actually dealt with it really well. After the zip lines, we decided to go go-karting. Is it supposed to go over your mouth?
Take your time.
Probably not going to be able to film for this bit. The go-karting went really well. I was, making some good time. I couldn't really film a lot of it. So here's what happened. So I'm going around really fast, caning it around, and I had my GoPro in this coat pocket, just in here, right? GoPro's in the pocket, just like this. I'm driving around, giving it beans, and then all the vibrations from the go-kart obviously flew the GoPro out of my pocket until this guy, the hero of the day, found it and returned it to me. And I'm not sure whether I was more concerned about losing a £200 GoPro or whether I was more upset about losing all the footage of the day that we had. So one thing I would like to say, Adrenalin Quarry, you were fantastic finding this. I really appreciate it. You had like 3 guys running around the track looking for it, so I do really appreciate that. And this guy... Joe! There was an entire legend. Woo! Thank you very much. Where was it? Just down there. Thank you so much. I think I'm going to end it there. See you in the next one. carry this back now.